It's now time for Wild Walkabouts. I'd like to welcome to the show Jessie Miller. She's the founder of Epic Outreach. Welcome to River City Live, and obviously you brought a guest, and that is Patches.
This is Patches. Thank you for having me too.
Oh, it is our
much.
pleasure. So for starters, let's just talk about Epic Outreach and what you guys are all about. So education is really important, but also you're a sanctuary.
We are.
What is a sanctuary? Because we hear foundation a lot. What's the difference?
Yeah, so we have, we call it an education farm sanctuary. We take in animals and they, for the most part, have a safe place to stay, live their life out. And so the sanctuary is sort of, it's an energetic, happy, loving, kind place. And they get to live in that energy and love for their life.
And what type of animals do you have then on the farm?
We have pigs, and we have horses and chickens and dogs and cats and a bunny. So basically a lot of farm animals.
And then where do they come from? Do you just go out there, shop around, and find animals to add to your collection?
No. So we have all of the animals at our sanctuary are rescued. So they all come from different situations, maybe neglect, or they were abandoned, or maybe somebody got them as a pet and decided that they couldn't take care of them anymore. So we kind of take them in and give them a home, and sometimes we adopt them out too. So even though we are a sanctuary, not all of them will stay for life. Some of them will get adopted out and into homes that they get loved on by other people.
And one of the things I want to learn about, the Pig Education Placement Program. It sounds pretty prestigious. So what exactly is it?
It is. So there is a great need for potbelly pigs specifically, and that's what Patches is. He's a potbelly pig mix. And there's a lot of them that they're considered pets, and they get adopted when they're really cute babies, just like puppies and kittens. And then when they get older, they start doing things that people don't want.
Like teenagers.
Like teenagers, yes. Like rooting. They like to root. They dig up your yard. And then people want to give them up. And so we get calls and emails and messages all the time looking to help out with a pig in need, and we just can't house them all.
Now you were saying that Patches here is a mix, right? Of what?
Potbelly pig mix. So a smaller, not your farm pig. So a farm pig is a big pig, kind of like a meat pig. He's not. He's considered a pet pig. And so he will stay this size.
And then as far as pets, from what I understand, they're very intelligent, they're very clean.
Yeah.
They are great pets.
They are great pets. He knows his name. He knows how to sit. Obviously, he's got a harness on. He knows how to go up into a ramp to get into my truck, to travel. They're super smart. You can train them to sit. They're housebroken. A lot of things you can do with them.
And this is an high question, but let's just say you're in the market for a potbelly pig.
Yeah.
When it comes to taking them to the vet, does an average vet, are they qualified to take care of a pig? Or do you have to go to like a pig specialist?
You generally want to find a vet that really knows pigs, because they're a little bit different, obviously, than dogs and cats. They do need to have vaccinations and things like that, but these guys have hooves, so they need to have their hooves trimmed. Some of them have tusks, so they have to have those trimmed. So you definitely want to find a vet that knows.
And can they be potty trained?
They can be potty trained. You can have them indoors, in your house, sleeping in your bed if you want.
Wow, wow. Now, if people want to learn more about Epic Outreach, how can they do that? And then can they set up a tour to walk around, explore, visit, and learn?
We would love to have anybody come out, take a tour. We do it by RSVP. And you can schedule an appointment during the week or on the weekend. Go to our website, epicoutreach.org, and all of our information, email us, call us, reach out. You can learn about adoption. We have a few pigs that are up for adoption right now. He is not available.
And then you also mentioned too, he did not make it to the Pig Education Placement Program, right?
He did not make it into that program, no. He's staying with us. He's a great ambassador. He's a great teacher of educating people on pigs. And
well, thank you, Patches. Patches was awesome on TV, and thank you, Jessie. We appreciate it.
No, thank you. I appreciate it too, and so does Patches. He loves coming.
Stick around, more to come right after this.